Next, we discuss formula of rank correlation coefficients for repeated ranks. So formula of rank correlation coefficients for repeated rank is RS equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square plus k by n into n square minus 1. This is the formula of rank correlation coefficients for repeated ranks. Okay. 1 minus 6 into summation over I di square plus k by n into n square minus 1, where k is the m into m square minus 1 by 12, where k equal to m into m square minus 1 by 12 and n is the number of data, where m is the number of repeated terms. M is the number of repeated terms and n is the number of data, and this is the formula of rank correlation coefficients for repeated ranks. Okay, now we discuss a problem. Compute rank correlation coefficients for the following data of marks obtained by 10 students in the history and geography. Compute rank correlation coefficients for the following data of marks obtained by 10 students in the history and geography. Okay, this is set of following data. This is set of data. Okay, one student scored 58 in history and 16 in geography, 64 in geography. Another student scored 54 in history, 48 in geography. Another student scored 65 in history, 58 in geography, so on. Okay, this is the set of data. Compute rank correlation coefficients. Solution. First you draw a table. So first you draw a table. History, geography. This is rank of x. This is rank of y. We denote history by x. This is y. D means Rx. Difference between two rank Rx and Ry. D square. So 58, 54, 65, 49, 54, 70, 65, 40, 46, 54. Okay, and history is 64, 48, 58. Okay, 36, 71, 50, 58, 49, 41, 68. Okay, now we find rank of x and rank of y. Here maximum value of x is 70, so this is rank 1. Okay, then second maximum value of x is 65, but here 65 occurred 2 times. Okay, 65 occurred 2 times. This is this first rank, since 70 is the highest maximum value of x, so this is first rank. Second highest value is 65, but 65 occurred 2 times, so this is second rank, this is third rank. Okay, we average 2 and 3, so if we average 2 and 3 is 2 plus 3 by 2, this means 2.5. Okay, this is 2 rank, this is 3 rank, we average 2 and 3, so average 2 and 3 is 2.5. so since 65 occurred 2 times, so let us denote 65, this is 2, this is 3, so first rank, this is second rank, this is 3 rank. Suppose this is second rank, this is third rank, so if we average 2 and 3, so average 2 and 3 is 2.5. So this is 2.5, this is 2.5. Please concentrate this step. Okay, so first rank complete, second rank, third rank complete. Okay, fourth rank, so fourth highest is 58. This is fourth. Okay, fifth maximum number is 54. Okay, but 54 occurred 3 times. 54 occurs. This is 54. This is 54. This is 54. Okay. So this is fourth rank. Next rank is fifth. So let us denote this is fifth rank. This is sixth rank. This is seventh rank. Okay. We average 5, 6, 7. So average of 5, 6, 7 is 5 plus 6 plus 7 by 3. Okay. This is 6. Okay. So this is sixth rank. This is sixth rank. This is sixth rank. Clear? Since 54 occurred 3 times, let us know this is fifth rank, this is sixth rank, this is seventh rank. We average 5, 6, 7. So average of 5, 6, 7 is 6. So this is 6, 6, 6. Okay. So seventh rank complete. So 8 highest is 49. So this is 8th highest. This is rank 8. Okay. So 9th highest is 46. So this is 9th. And 10th highest, this is 10. Clear? Now we find rank of y. So maximum number of y is this 71. This is rank 1. Clear? Second highest number is 68. This is 2. Third highest number is this is third. This is rank 3. Okay. Fourth highest number is 58. But 58 occurs 2 times. So let us know this is fourth rank. This is fifth rank. So average at fourth and 5 is 4 plus 5 by 2. So average of 4 and 5 is 4.5. So this is 4.5. This is 4.5. Okay. Since 58 occurs 2 times. Okay. Let us know this is fourth rank. This is fifth rank. We already noted third rank. This is first rank. This is second rank. This is third rank. And this is, let us denote, this is fourth rank. This is fifth rank. So we average 4 and 5. So this is 4.5. This is also 4.5. Okay. Next, sixth rank. Sixth highest is 50. So this is 6. Okay. Seventh highest is 49. This is 7. Okay. And eighth highest is 48. This is 8. And this is 9. This is 10. Clear? So D means Rx minus Ry. This is 1. This is minus 2. This is minus 2. This is minus 2. This is 5. This is minus 5. This is minus 2. This is 3. This is 0. This is 4. Okay. D square. This square means 1, 4, 4, 4, 25, 25, 4, 9, 0, 16. Okay. So summation d square. So summation di square. So summation di square means if we sum these terms we get 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 25 plus 25 plus 4 plus 9 plus 0 plus 16. After calculation we get this is 92. Okay. So formula of rank correlation for repeated rank is Rs equal to 1 minus 6 into summation di square plus k by n into n square minus 1. Now we find k. K means k is the m into m square minus 1 by 12, where m is the number of repeated terms. In our problem, here 3 numbers are repeated. So let k equal to 65 repeated, 54 repeated, 58 repeated. So let k equal to 65 plus 54 plus 58. Here 3 numbers repeated, 65, 54 and 58. Okay, 65 repeated 2 times. So here m equal to 2 for 65. So 65 repeated 2 times. So 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12 plus 54. 54 repeated 3 times. So here m equal to 3 for 54. So 3 into 3 square minus 1 by 12. Here 58 repeated 2 times. So here m equal to 2 for 58. So 2 into 2 square minus 1 by 12. So after calculation we get this is 6 by 12. This is 24 by 12 plus this is 6 by 12. So this is 3. Okay. So hence rank correlation coefficient is, so value of k is 3. So rank correlation coefficient is Rs equal to 1 minus 6 into di square means 92. So 92 plus k means 3 n into n square minus 1. N means value of n is number of data is 10. So 10 into 10 square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 into 90, sorry, this is 1 minus 6 into 95 by 10 into 99. So after calculation we get this is 0.4242. So this is the required result. So hence rank correlation coefficients for the set of following data is 0.4242. So 0.4242 is the rank correlation coefficient for the set of data. Clear?